So, after months of seeing the Dicon magazine advertisements on my Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and all the social media places, I finally caved and bought one, the JK version. I was able to get the English version, came out, and yeah, it finally arrived. It's been a couple months, I think, since I purchased it. But it's finally here. I took it out of the box. I haven't opened it yet, but I did take it out of the box. And oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. All right. Oh, my goodness. Ah. You feel my excitement, right? Oh, I'm still reeling from butter. Oh my goodness. From the movie music video, but also the BBMAs. Congratulations to them for winning all 4 categories, of course. But oh my goodness, that performance. I'm not over it yet. It was last night, so I haven't had time to process the whole video yet. Anyway. Ah. 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 He's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh. I found a lot of these pictures on the internet, and I've printed a lot of them, but still, it's nice to have the actual PCs. This is their little keychain, the 2 sides of him, the dark side, the light side, JK and Cookie. What is this? This is card calendar. Oh, card calendar. Can you see that? I can't tell. It has, yeah, it changes. Oh, wow. Oh, he's so pretty. And on the back, it actually has the calendar. There's different pictures on the back side. Oh, this one's so cute. I like the winter ones. When they have the little decorations and stuff on their heads and stuff. That's the calendar. And then 2 army. Oh, these. Oh, these are the pictures that I like. See how cute? How cute is that? Looks so cute. Oh. And the back side. So it's J-Hope, Cookie, and V together on this one. Oh, very cute. And then finally, the magazine. The magazine. I really shouldn't splurge on these things. But I can't help it. So the front side has his dark side, the back side has his light side. And it's pretty thick. I don't think I can go through the whole thing in this video, but we'll flip through it real quick. Let's just see what it has. Oh, yeah, I've seen some of these, a lot of these in online already. Some of them I haven't. These I have. I like these pictures when he's with the bubbles. It's in frame, isn't it? I hope. My sweetie pie. Yes, my sweetie pie. I shouldn't say that. Okay. And he's back with the short hair. He looks so young with the short hair. It throws me off a little. It makes me have to come back to reality. It looks good there. J-Hope. I really like J-Hope's visuals. He doesn't affect me the way that Jungkook does, but I really like his visuals. V also. Ooh. It's a pretty scenery. Okay, well that was my Dicon unboxing. Oh, it's funny, but I think I like the cards the best. Oh. The calendar. If you're able to do the calendar, I have to hang these somewhere. Yeah. Okay, that was my unboxing. Really didn't have a lot to say today. I'm still a little overwhelmed from yesterday, so my brain's not working very well. But yeah. Woo. Bye.